Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this 3D model into 2D drawings for manufacturing in Autodesk Inventor software. So I already made 3D modeling. Select here File, click New, select the 2D drawing templates, select here Base. So this is the front view and this is the side view, this is the ISO view. So we need top view also to give the whole dimensions. Okay. Give the dimensions. Double click this, here select the automatic center lines, select the views, select here center line, see center lines will came. So give the dimensions from here to here. Friends, as I told in the first drawing video, we don't require this 2 zeros. For that, select manage style editor, remove these zeros. Select here to here, it is 6 mm. This cutout is 70 mm. From here to here 42 and this is 14. So in this view we covered all the dimensions. So in the side view we required this width of the object and from the bottom height is required, and also size of this arc R21, this whole dimension. This is already in the center. If you want, you can give this dimension. In the side view also all the dimensions are covered. In the top view we need this whole dimensions. Otherwise here you can see there is a hole and threads is there. Select that and click the hole. So double click this. We need quantity of the hole. Select the hash symbol. Quantity will come automatically. See, 2 into diagonal through. So in the front view, select dimension, give the fillet dimensions. So both side all the fillets are R2 only. Give typical. Typical means in the drawings all the fillets are R2. So increase the scale size. That's it friends. I hope all dimensions are covered. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment box. Definitely I will reply all the comments. So give the whole view names. Front view, this is top view, side view, ISO view. That's it friends. I hope you like this video. In the upcoming videos, definitely I will teach you how to give the GD&T, tolerances and datum lines. Thanks for watching this video friends, and also I am requesting you to all please do subscribe my channel and support me.